No, I'm probably gonna get some.
We came up, I think we left probably around 8 o'clock, just got up, so it took about 3 hours to get up here.
So
we're here, so it's completely worth it.
We live down in Silverthorne. I woke up this morning at 8 o'clock and I saw 2 feet of powder on my car and I was like, all right, let's go. Had to turn around, the roads were too icy, so he came and he drove me up here. And now look at us, we're having a great day. Basin, Mayuary, what happened? Who knows? It was 70 degrees yesterday.
Yeah, this is unusual day of May at Basin. Usually it's like a little bit of snow. But this is like 9-inch. This time is unbelievable.
My name is Enzo. I just came from Fort Collins. Left at 7:45. Got here at noon just to enjoy a beautiful spring run.